Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative and waiting about 10 minutes so airbags and electronics fully discharge. Next, remove the lower steering column cover and the fuse box trim to reveal hidden screws. This gives you direct access to the dash mount points. Use a marker to note connector positions as you go and keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Once done, you'll be ready to begin removing the upper dash fasteners without risking electrical damage. You now remove the torque screws along the top edge of the dash and under each trim panel. These are often hidden, so feel for the plug-style clips. Once screws are out, unclip the center console trim and carefully remove the HVAC control panel, disconnecting its electrical connectors. Press the tabs and pull straight. Make sure you support the dash edge with your hand or a padded prop. Meanwhile, detach the glove box damper and any chassis ground straps so the dash can move freely. You and a helper slide the dash forward evenly and lift it out, watching that no harnesses snag on the A/C ducts or vents. If a connector resists, check for retaining clips. Do not force. Label and inspect any stretched or damaged connectors and replace broken clips before reassembly. Once the dash is clear, reinstall in reverse order, reconnecting grounds and the battery last. If warning lights appear, make sure connectors are fully seated. Use the vehicle scanner only after physical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.